Hello wonderful people, welcome back to another wonderful video. In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you the two things you must do on your channel settings, okay? And once you do these two things, you will start getting the views. Your channel will start being recommended by YouTube, all right? You will see the magic on your channel. Now if you want to find out the two settings I'm going to talk about in this video, sit back, relax, and watch this video till the end. And do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel to keep getting more updates. Now let's dive right into the video. So guys, without wasting any of our time at all, let us move straight to the studio, okay? Because that is where I'm going to be showing you in practical terms what you need to set on your channel. Let's go there.
So you go through Google and type YouTube Studio. I already have it here, so I'll click on it. Then it will bring out YouTube Studio. I'm going to be long pressing on the very first one. So once you press, it will open up the YouTube Studio. Now you go to the left side of the studio. You're going to see this icon that looks like a flower. So you click on it. That's the customization icon. You're going to be seeing profile and home tab. So we're going to be clicking on home tab because that's what we're working with. Once you click on the home tab, go to the left section. You will see channel trailer, spotlight for returning subscribers, popular videos, and the rest of them. So add all these things. I've already added mine, okay? Add them. So once you add it, the very first option here is channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed. So what you're going to do is to shift to the right, this tray icon here, click on it. You're going to see change video. Mine is showing change video because I've already input a video before. Yours will be showing put video if you haven't done this before. So you will select a video. The next thing is featured video for returning subscribers. So what you're going to do, you will still click on this icon and click on change video or input video as the case may be. Yeah, so once you click on it, to open up this segment, so you choose and select a very good video that you will put here. So once you pick this, the videos will be showing up here as you are seeing. So the next thing you're going to do is to publish the video. So you're going to look at the top right of this. You'll see publish. All right, so you publish it.
So guys, I believe you all have seen from the tutorial from the studio what you need to do, what you need to set in your channel for you to start getting the views, the subscribers, the recommendation from YouTube, okay? Do not play with these two settings. I am talking to you from experience. I have done this and it has worked for me, okay? Once you set these, just like I've shown you, you will see people trooping into your channel. They will keep watching, okay? Not just about people watching, YouTube will keep recommending your content. Your returning subscribers will keep watching because they will always be coming across that your video, okay? The channel trailer is there. Once anybody your returning subscribers come, they're seeing the channel trailer, okay? Your home page is there, okay? Once, even if it's a new person that comes, okay, the person is seeing the video. And now there's something very important I need to tell you about what you're going to be putting on that home page and on the channel trailer, okay? Now make sure you're putting a video that is doing quite well for your channel, okay? Do not put a dormant video, okay? Put a video that can push you. Yeah, put a video that can say that, oh, this is what this channel is all about, okay? Put a video that can represent you. Yeah, okay? It's just like when you are saying that someone is the face of something, okay? Your homepage is the face of your channel, okay? So when you are setting this, put a video. Make sure you put a video that can represent you anywhere, anytime, any day, okay? So guys, I believe this video has been helpful and of impact to a whole lot of people out there, okay? So if you found this video helpful, please do not forget to give this video a massive thumbs up. If you have any questions, you can drop in the comment section. Subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, share this video, okay, so that more people can get to see this good news. All right, so guys, till I see you guys in my next video, bye for now.